Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. As part of the training component of the European Union-sponsored €9.5 million Digital Jamaica project, the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, says it will provide 2,700 micro, small, and medium enterprises with certificates of completion in digital training during the period 2024 to 2026. Acting Chief Executive Officer Harold Davis says 5,000 MSMEs will also receive assistance to digitally transform at least one internal business process by the end of the year 2026. The Mayberry Investment Controlled Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that Mr. Jesus Johnson, the CEO of Supreme Ventures Gaming Limited, has resigned effectively January 31, 2025. 2 weeks ago, it was announced by SVL that by the middle of January, it would let go of Head of Marketing Kamal Powell, Head of Finance Anthony Litchmore, and Head of Human Resources Sasha K. Burke in order to contain costs. For the trading period ending January 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Microfinance lender Lasco Financial Services Limited, with 11,970,764 units traded, representing 27.08% of market sales volume. Medical firm G West Corporation Limited, with 11,305,076 units traded, represented 25.57% of market sales volume. Advertising agency The Limners and Bards Limited, with 3,799,449 units traded, accounted for 8.59% of market sales of volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 16, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $49.85 million purchased and US $52.42 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.74 in profit, selling the US at $158.18 and buying the US at $156.44. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.19 per transaction, with selling at $110.84 and buying at $108.65. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.38 in profits, with selling at $192.76 and buying at $190.38. For our credit report tip of the day, high interest rates doesn't have to mean higher costs. Taking proactive steps to improve your credit health can give you the bargaining power you need to shop for better loan terms and save more. Here are a few tips. Consolidate your debt strategically. Consider balance transfer cards or personal loans to manage high interest credit card debt. Also set a credit goal. Focus on what you wanted, be it a mortgage, car loan, or business funding. In the space of building financial resilience and recovery, do you feel like you're in a space where you have to build something from nothing? Financial recovery and resilience for women over the age of 45 often feels like that. So here's a roadmap. Seek feedback. That means share your progress with your accountability partner or group. Their insights can help you refine your approach and stay motivated. Also, measure the big picture. Beyond immediate goals, evaluate how these achievements align with your long-term vision. Example, are you closer to being debt-free or having the financial freedom you desire? And that wraps up today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.